Hello, Gamma's World. We're going to do a little meal prep. Today, we're going to make air fried cod and riced cauliflower. Here you can see I've used a blend of my favorite seasonings to just simply do a rub into the fish fillets. If you have watched any of my previous videos when I'm cooking, I like to blend all of my seasonings together and then marinate my food or whatever I'm cooking with the seasoning. And after everything is seasoned well, I'll be using my air fryer for today's meal prep. I will be using my air fryer parchment paper and placing that in the air fryer at 400 for about 20 minutes, 10 minutes on each side. And I will now start to prepare my frozen cauliflower and vegetables made by Green Giant. I just put a little seasoning and salt-free garlic and herb seasoning on top of the cauliflower. Just so it's not that dry, I do add a teaspoon of the unsalted butter. This rice cauliflower is such a great alternative to rice. It actually only has 25 calories. I think for a half cup, once prepared, serving of this rice cauliflower. So you could have a whole cup if you want it, and it would still only be 100 calories. I love that. So here you see I have 4 prep meals with the air fried cod and the riced cauliflower and a little wedge of lemon. This meal is definitely under 250 calories. Now, I won't be having this for 4 days because I don't eat things after the third day, but one day I may eat this for lunch and dinner, so I just made an extra serving. I love meal prepping because it helps me stay on track. It helps me to better monitor my calories. It helps me to identify the foods that are best for me. And it usually ensures that I will actually eat in the food groups that I need to eat in. Because who meal prep sugar, right? So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.